Today we are making shrimp Creole. It is succulent shrimp simmered in a slightly spicy tomato sauce, and I think you're gonna love it. All right, let's make some shrimp Creole. First thing you wanna do is get a pan, heat it up to medium heat, and add some olive oil. Heat that through a bit. And next we cook down our Cajun holy trinity of onion and celery. I have about a medium onion and one stalk of celery, and bell pepper. And I actually like to use jalapeno pepper with mine for extra spice, but bell pepper is great and more traditional here. So we'll cook these down for about 5 minutes until they soften up nicely. All right, next I have 3 cloves of garlic minced. And we'll cook this down for about 30 seconds to a minute until you can smell the gorgeous garlic blooming. Next, we will add 6 tablespoons of tomato paste. And you'll cook the tomato paste down for about a minute or so until you can also let that delicious tomato flavor bloom. It's very delicious. All right, stirring in my tomato paste a little bit, and I can smell it. Smelling delicious in here. So next we will add a can of diced tomatoes, and you can use fresh tomatoes as well. But diced tomatoes work great here. Stir it in, and I have here about a cup of shrimp stock that I made from the shrimp shells. You can also use chicken stock if you want to make it a little bit easier. Set that aside. And I have a tablespoon plus of Worcestershire sauce. A tablespoon plus of Creole seasoning. Creole seasonings are outstanding here, and you can use Cajun blend if you want to. I have a couple of bay leaves that we'll stir into the mix, and also salt and pepper to taste. Give that a few grinds. Black pepper. And also hot sauce. This is a Louisiana style hot sauce. You're free to use your favorites. You can use Crystal, which is a local favorite in Louisiana. You can use Tabasco sauce, another favorite. Or this is a homemade blend that I actually made a few weeks ago when I shot my Louisiana style hot sauce video. I've got some delicious habaneros in here. And usually I add about a tablespoon or so, but I kind of like just keep adding it to my own personal taste. And I'll adjust it later. So give your delicious Creole sauce a stir until everything's nicely incorporated, and then we will let it simmer for a good 20 minutes until the sauce ingredients just bloom with flavor and they mix and mingle and become amazingly delicious. Look at that, it smells delicious in here. All right, our Creole sauce is simmering nicely and it smells delicious in here. So the next thing we want to do is I have about a pound of peeled and deveined shrimp, and any size will do. So go ahead and add your shrimp to the Creole sauce, and you'll just tuck it into the sauce, and you'll simmer the sauce for a good 5 minutes or so until the shrimp turn pink and cook through and become nice and delicious. Looks like my shrimp is nicely cooked through, and we're just about ready to serve here. Let me give it a taste. Absolutely delicious, nice and spicy. So here it is, guys, shrimp Creole. Absolutely delicious, nice and spicy, and ready to serve. So that's it, guys. That's how you make shrimp Creole. It's very easy to make, and it's easy to spice up as much as you want to. You can easily add in more hot sauce, some spicy red chili flakes, add more Creole seasoning or cayenne pepper. You can even use hotter peppers, like I use jalapenos instead of bell peppers. Heat it up to any level that you like. It's great for weeknight meals. You can serve it over rice. It's delicious that way, one of our favorite ways. You can toss in some noodles and have a Creole shrimp pasta. It's also great on crusty bread, and you can serve it as an appetizer. So many different ways to enjoy it. But that's it. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I do hope you enjoy it, and if you do, let me know. I'll see you in our kitchen next time. So have a good one. Bye.